everybody, it's Bunny, and I'm here to salvage what we have left of Vlogoween. It has been a tragic past couple of days. Anytime I scroll on my phone, anytime I scroll to read things on the internet, anytime I scroll footage, like to edit it, you know, it makes me dizzy. I don't know what's going on lately. It's like being in the Twilight Zone, but without any of the cool stuff in the Twilight Zone. It's just me feeling dizzy all the time. I don't even really know what this video is gonna be. It's gonna be a mishmash of lots of Halloween stuff. There is still a ton of preparations for me to do to get ready for the trick-or-treaters. I went so extremely extra this year and I bought a foam machine. So we're gonna do kind of like a dress rehearsal run through of that. I just saw it online and I was like, oh my gosh, like that would be so much fun. I really want to make my entire yard this year like a complete carnival kind of Halloween experience. We're also gonna decorate Vlogoween Jeep. Before we get started with whatever we're doing today, let's give a quick thank you and a quick shout out to today's video sponsor, which is Dollar Shave Club. You guys know that I have been talking about them and loving their products for months now. I think it has been over a year. But you guys know, not only do I love their products, Dogman loves them too. We both use their razors all the time. No matter what your routine is, Dollar Shave Club has everything that you need to look, feel, and smell your best. They have shower products, oral care products, hair products, pretty much anything that you would need to take care of your human body, Dollar Shave Club has for you. One of the really cool changes that Dollar Shave Club has made recently is now all of their products are subscribable. So that means not only are their razors subscribable, but their other super awesome products as well, like the shave butter or the butt wipes. Also, one of my personal favorite products, which is the Calming Amber and Lavender Body Cleanser. So right now they are offering their shave, shower, and oral care starter kit for just $5. In that box, you will of course receive their executive razor and a cartridge of razor refills. And for the shower portion, you'll receive 3 trial size products of some of their most popular cleansers. They automatically keep you stocked up on all the products that you need so that you never run out, and you can choose how frequently you would like to receive these products so you get what you need however often you need it. And the best part is, the more you buy, the more you save. They call it their handsome discount. Join the club with one of their starter sets for just $5. After that, the restock box ships regular sized items at regular price. Get this exclusive deal today at dollarshaveclub.com/graveyardgirl. It'll be the first link in the info box, so don't forget to check it out, dollarshaveclub.com/graveyardgirl. Time to call my special assistant for today. What is going on here? I'm calling Chris because he's gonna help us out today. Ring, ring, ring. Ring, ring, ring. Ring, ring, ring. I don't know what we should do first. Set up the foam, decorate the car. I saw this the other morning when I was going to pick up breakfast, and it was the greatest car decoration I've ever seen in my life. So I'm stealing their idea. I'm gonna recreate it on my very own Jeep. Wait, is it locked? Better? Yeah. Say hi to the camera. Everyone can see you. Wait, you haven't even seen the vampire baby in the front seat.
What?
Oh, look. Okay, I'm showing them the other person's idea that I'm stealing. They did this to the Jeep that they own, which was also an orange Jeep. So they must be like, we must be like
Halloween
spiritually connected in some way. Dogman and I tried to attach this guy. You remember him? What did we call him? Freddy? Eddie? But his head doesn't turn. So that didn't work. So now I went to Target and I got this little muffin. So I think that's the one we're gonna affix today with zip ties. Also feel like I need to run so many errands. Like, we need to get a card table, and I also need to get chains. I saw this necklace that was just like, it looked like chain from the hardware store. So I'm like, can I just go in there and be like, I'm here to buy my accessories. Do you remember the year for Halloween that I put a chain around my ankle and I went to like Lowe's or something? Oh. And I literally like just measured it in the middle of the store because I was like, how much chain do I need? Well, let's find out. This is a good guy. Oh, what is today's video? Today's video, brought to you by sinus headache and fog of confusion.
Great this weather.
Oh God.
Great
yeah,
Texas
it's
weather.
been like 90, 50, 90, 50, 90, 50. It's cold today for me. It is 60 blanking degrees.
With a nice breeze.
I think you mean an unpleasant breeze that chills us to the core of our being. Daddy. Oh no. Is this a packet of sealed instructions?
Oh, yeah.
Is that how advanced this is? Ooh, it's like a tube. Oh, this is our jug of juice.
A jug of juice.
So each one of these is supposed to last for 2.5 to 3.5 hours of foam. You didn't even see Vampire Baby either. I'm just bombarding you with everything.
I thought you had Avatar Baby.
I have Avatar Baby and now I have Vampire Baby, and I did an unboxing of this and I haven't even edited it yet.
Oh wow.
Look at how it's baby Vlad.
Aww. He's cute. Just
I
wants
should,
to,
like,
you know, bite you and suck your blood.
Suck your blood.
Stop
Zero.
in the name of love.
That only took us 7 minutes. Teamwork.
Yeah! Brother, sister, teamwork!
Oh my God, I almost broke an ankle. Next is a way for me to finally stop losing these keys. Creamy Candy sent over this gigantic Halloween poop squishy. How will I ever lose this key again? I've never used a squishy this big as a keychain.
It does smell pretty good though.
Now, next thing, we're gonna put a sticker here. You guys can't see, it's like this really cute script that I found on Etsy. I never plan on taking this off. What else we have to decorate? These are called cat eyes, but you know what? I don't know how we're gonna stick them in the car. I got these little decorations and they literally are meant for like cars or windows or wherever, and they light up. Stay tuned, I will show these to you guys tonight probably, because I feel like you can't, like, honestly it could be shining right now and I might not just be able to tell because it's so bright outside. What I have to put in the glove compartment though. Every time somebody opens a glove compartment, this guy will scream.
Easy.
Dude, see, I'm just like,
It's like easy.
why do I have the worst impulses?
Ta-da! Happy Halloween!
I think that I'm gonna take a teeny tiny lunch break, but we are gonna figure out how to do Foam Daddy. We're gonna read the packet of instructions because I might approach every other device I've ever tested in my life without reading a singular instruction, but I would not dare approach Foam Daddy with the same cavalier attitude.
Oh no.
Vlogoween room is all painted and ready to rock and roll. We have Halloween Christmas tree all set up. Isn't he so magical? Hey, guess what his hair is made out of? Did you guess?
Grizzly bear fur?
Real human hair.
Oh gosh, really?
Yeah. So this is from Twisted Beanstalk Nursery, and it's actually her son's hair that she quote unquote harvests.
Oh wow.
Yeah, doesn't that sound magical?
Hey, recycle.
I tried to dress him to the best of my ability, which is not necessarily that good. I should like take him to Sephora later and just freak everyone out.
Oh, that'd be
I feel like if he wasn't dressed in a cape, like people would walk up to that and like think it's a real baby.
Oh yeah.
And then you could be like, but look at him.
Hi.
Look at its head. I love this. Oh my God. Doesn't its tongue look real?
Mm-hmm. I know the skin looks real too.
Yeah.
Like with the kind of like the slight kind of blood flow almost.
I know. Isn't it wild? Like,
He matches my
wait,
hair.
yeah, I was like, wait, your hair and his hair is like the same hair. Y'all twins. Good news and bad news. Good news is Vlogoween Day, whatever of October it is, the vlog will continue. Unfortunately, we're not going to be able to test out the Foam Daddy stuff today because Amazon recommended the wrong tripod. Like, you have to set it up on a T-shaped tripod so that you can hoist the Foam Daddy into the air so that it can like shoot all these bubbles everywhere. And unfortunately, like, Amazon recommended that I buy like a square pegged tripod and we need a round one. So I'm not gonna be able to show you guys Foam Daddy for at least 2 days, like at least not until Saturday, because that's when I have like guaranteed delivery of the new tripod. So now I'm gonna take Vlad, baby. I feel like I need some sun, you guys. Y'all, my sleeping schedule has still just been so crazy. I'm getting a phone call. So we are about to have a very exciting guest come over. Her name is Shelby Elizabeth. She's actually on Halloween Wars right now on the Food Network. She is on Team Zesty Zombies, and she's like the sugar person. I don't know if they're called like sugar pullers. She is local to Houston, and she just messaged me and was like, hey, can I make you like a Halloween cake? And she told me it's gonna be a creepy doll, and I have no idea what to expect, but I am so excited. I cannot wait to see an edible doll. It is so dark in here, and I'm gonna creepily hunch behind you so you can tell us about the cake. Wait, you have to tell us your channel name first.
Hi y'all, I'm Shelby from the Sugar Scoop, and I made Bunny here a beautiful creepy doll cake.
I'm gonna link you guys down below because y'all have to watch the process video that's gonna be on her channel so you can actually see how she put it all together, because this is amazing. I wish I could give everybody a slice. We're about to cut this baby, and I'm excited and I'm nervous. So how many days did this take you to make?
About 2 days.
2 days.
Two pretty full days.
You guys,
Yeah.
edible fabric. Edible fabric.
Yeah, everything on here is edible. So like the lace is all edible.
You were just on Halloween Wars. Still on Halloween Wars.
I'm on Halloween Wars. Every Sunday at 8, I think, is chocolate cake, and then it's a layer of blackberry chocolate ganache, and then purple red velvet cake or purple velvet cake, and then that's soaked in a blackberry simple syrup, and then it just repeats.
Blown away by all the details.
She's gonna be really pretty on the inside. I was thinking about doing red velvet, and I was like, that's a little too morbid.
Oh, see,
So.
the same mind. I'm very excited for this experience. Although I do dread cutting this cake. I told her, I was like, you know, I'm never gonna cut this.
Yeah.
We're just gonna keep it forever the way it is.
Cut her here.
Oh, there we go. No going back. Can't undo that. The whole leg now gone.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Looks so tasty too.
Yeah, my chocolate cake is really good.
Look at that. It's all purple in there. The lighting is so bad in this room that we're sitting in presently. Oh my god. That is, I love the texture of the fondant.
Yeah.
I like it. I use a really good fondant. A lot of people are like, bleh, but I like marshmallow.
This is ridiculously good.
Yeah, that marshmallow texture is
So
like
I think
so soft.
I want you guys to try that.
I could eat this every day. Like, I'm like, oh my god.
I really love that texture.
Yeah, it's like
That's
so.
it's like a marshmallow skin. It's crazy.
Marshmallow baby skin.
We're eating the marshmallow baby skin. Finally, we're back. So then the next tripod I got had round, what would you call it? Like a round bar?
Oh, it was a circular bar.
But
it was a circular bar, but it was too large.
too big.
It was made for heavy duty.
So then we went to Walmart. We just got a card table because it only has to be something that can support, what is it, 43 pounds?
Yeah, 42 pounds.
So
That's also like the blow from.
we've
the-
moved to card table.
Yay!
Because honestly, it's looking like a little bleak today because right now it's forecasted rain. Obviously, if it rains, we're not even going to be able to do this year.
I hope not.
But
Not again.
I know it rained last year, but at least last year it kind of sprinkled.
Yeah.
But also last year our home team, the Astros, was winning the World Series. They had like a World Series playoff game.
Oh, yeah.
So that kind of like dampened Halloween
Oh, yeah.
along with the rain, but we still had 150
Oh,
trick-or-treaters
yeah.
last year, so it's
We
still
ran
not
out
that
of
big of a
bags.
deal. But I'm so glad we got this up and running, so I'm very excited. I'm about to run through it. So it's like, honestly, it's a crazy contraption, you guys. You gotta have like a 5-gallon bucket to mix all the stuff. You have to have a trash can to dilute it. This is like, what, a 40-gallon trash can? So you have to dilute it. It feeds through, there are wires, hoses. It's a lot. It's a lot. It's been a wild weekend of trying to make this work, but here we are. You can never give up. So I'm gonna set you guys on a tripod and I'm gonna run through the bubbles. We're gonna see what it feels like because I have never been to like a foam party. Wait, have you ever been to a foam party?
Oh no.
No, we've never been to foam. So we're about to run through this and it's gonna be an experience. Decent loud. Decent
I
loud.
might have to kind of turn up the voice just a little bit.
Just yell. Okay.
Yell! You ready?
Yes.
Okay!
Okay. Woo! Oh my God. Look at all those bubbles.
Are you okay? I got it.
Woo!
Make a bubble!
Oh my God, it'll stick to you. But I do feel wet now, right?
A little bit.
A little moist. Oh look, wonderful.
Little hat.
Ah! Bubble machine, check. Now all we need is for it to not rain.
Yes, please.
Please don't let it rain. I feel like kids would like this.
I think they would.
Or they'd either avoid it. I don't know.
Or parents would be like, no,
Don't run into that.
don't run into that.
Don't run into that.
Or don't jump into it thinking there's a cushion.
Oh yeah, that was sincerely painful. Why did I think the ground would be soft? You are a parent, or if you're a kid, would you let your kid run through this, or is that just like a no, no, no?
I think so.
I think with black lights on it, it would kind of look like ectoplasm, maybe?
My jeans are done. This won't work, jeans. I'm good.